Today we're going to replace our smoke alarm with a Kidde model number I9010. You can see that right there. But anyway, it has a 10-year battery life, and what's nice about that is normally you're supposed to replace the battery every year, so that will save you quite a bit of money over the lifespan of 10 years. The cost, you can get this on Amazon, it's about $17, and we'll go ahead and show you how to install this. When you open the package, you'll find the instructions how to properly install your smoke alarm. Get some screws and anchors. You'll also receive the actual smoke alarm itself, mounting plate. This warning, it just tells you how it will be activated. You can read through the warning. And now I'll go ahead and show you how to install it. All right, so we're going to replace the smoke alarm. You can see we've already got screws in here. There was one over here. We've got this one here. We're just going to use the existing screws. So the previous smoke alarm was hardwired. We're not going to use that because we've got a 10-year battery, and we're going to use the existing screws. This one is mounted to the plate here. So we'll just use that screw. So we'll just go ahead and slide that on, and then we'll just go ahead and tighten this up. Now if you use the screws that come with the smoke alarm, you may have to use an anchor if you don't have anything to secure it to, or you can just, so you drill a hole and then put in the anchor. We're just going to screw into the drywall. Just want to get it nice and snug. And then you take the smoke alarm and then just go ahead and screw it on. So when you put the smoke alarm onto the plate and twist it, again, you want to make sure the plate is where it should be, but when you screw on the smoke alarm, it will activate the battery, and then to make sure it's working, you just press and hold the button for 5 seconds, and then the smoke alarm should sound. And once you hold it down for 5 seconds, the alarm should sound, and then that should activate your smoke alarm.